Hello, my name is Anoush Karaman. I am the founder and CEO of Learn French Geneva. Today, I would like to talk about genders. Learners have difficulties in French because we have genders, masculine and feminine. In fact, it's not as difficult as it sounds. It's mostly about the ending of the word. The way it sounds determines very often its gender. For example, words that end with a nasal sound, such as en, un, regardless of the way it's spelt, are usually masculine. A nasal sound is a sound that you hear going through your nose and where the tongue is in contact with no part of your mouth or teeth. Words that are generally masculine also very often end with a O sound, regardless of the way it is spelt. It could be spelled A-U, E-A-U, O, O-T, A-U-D, A-U-T, etc. More often than not, these words will be masculine with two main exceptions, water, eau, and skin, peau, which have a Latin origin, which was feminine and remain that way. Words that end with a hard consonant, such as S, T, D, are more often than not masculine. These hard consonants are never to be pronounced. If you do so, you're actually pronouncing a feminine word because to make those words feminine, you add an E. Words that end with ment, such as monument, département, argument, are masculine. Words that end with age, except for 6 different exceptions, are masculine. The exceptions are plage, the beach, nage, the swim, cage, the cage, page, the page, rage, la rage, image, l'image. Those words are feminine. They are the exception to the rule. Other words in masculine are seasons, trees, elements such as iron or gold, metals, days, and months. The same way we have masculine words that can be recognized by their endings, the same goes for feminine words. For example, words that end with a vowel, a consonant, another consonant, and a final letter E are more often than not feminine. The middle consonants can be similar or dissimilar. Example, endings such as elle, et, at, on, osh, art are feminine. Examples, belle, baguette, jatte, personne, cloche, tarte are feminine. Words that end with the sound sion or nion, spelt either T-I-O-N, S-I-O-N, X-I-O-N, or N-I-O-N, are feminine. For example, la télévision, la nation. Words that end with T-E acute, T-I-E acute, or acute E are feminine. You can remember that because the T-E acute ending is very similar to the TY English ending, and the Statue of Liberty represents a woman. The exception to this rule is été, summer. Words that end with ENCE or ANCE, pronounced anse, are feminine. These ones are the same as the first rule of the feminine, a vowel, two consonants, dissimilar in this case, E. Words that end with IE and that mean a place of work are feminine. For example, charcuterie, pâtisserie, boucherie. And last one, words that end with the following endings, such as UDE, ADE, ODE, URE, EUR, are feminine.